Okay, John, um, back here with the tutorial. I'm going to show you real quick on how you would make a post. Alright, or you might edit a post. So let's do this real quick. Since you don't have any items under the How We Do It category, I'm going to do that. You're logged in, you're in the dashboard. I'm going to zoom in over here. You can see posts, add new. Okay, we're going to do that real quick. Okay, talking about the how we do it. So you want to add a title, and I'm going to say sample. I'm going to scrounge around and find something for you to post up here, so it'll be there when we publish the site. But excuse me, we're going to do a post in that category. So as you can see over here, categories, how we do it. Take that. And then you always want to add a post tag so people can find you a little bit more easily. If they're searching for you on the web, that might help. So, tutorial, auto repair, Maryland. We'll stop there, but you can add anything that you think is relevant. I'm getting the little beach ball here. Mac users hate that. It means it's running slow. So zooming back out, and I'm just going to do something real quick here. I'm going to type in some text, sample text here. Alright, I'm going to scoot down and do another paragraph. And what I'm going to do there is I'm going to upload a picture, just like we did in the other tutorial. But I'm just going to do this, just something random off of my desktop. And upload that file. Actually, I want to just grab this. Alright, Motorworld since 1988. Zoom out so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, open. Stop doing that. Alright. It's always good to have a title, to add a title, in case images aren't working for whatever reason. Might be their choice. But yeah, if they have images turned off, they can see what's going on there. And you also want to add that, you want to copy that into the alternate text, because different browsers will read title or alternate text depending on what they're set to do. You can set the link URL. You can link to something, like for instance, turnaround tour for all your automotive repair shop coaching needs, or maybe you want to go check out some graphic design. Cheap plug, dirtprice.net. Or maybe you just don't want anything there, so you can just hit none. Maybe you want to hit align, you might want to align it left, put in some more text, put it full size. You can make it smaller, with the thumbnail, whatever. Hit insert into post. And I'm just going to keep typing just to show you. Text, text, text. That's exciting. Alright, there's all kinds of other goofy stuff you can do if you want, but for a single post, probably not going to be a whole lot of use to you, so I'm just going to leave all that stuff blank. I'm not going to publish this right now because that's goofy. It's a sample text, but I'm going to show you. Just hit preview on the right over here if you want to see what it looks like before you publish. Alright. And there you go. That's what you're going to see when you go to that actual post. Alright. Pretty exciting. Right now I have comments turned off for that, but if you want comments, you can always, that will show up whenever it's actually posted. Alright, so if you're done with it, you're happy with it, obviously you can hit publish. Pretty basic stuff right there, but that's your basic WordPress how-to. If you want to post a car care tip, that might be something, we've got a few of those up there right now. Check that instead. Recent work, showing your customer with the fancy old school vintage car. Yep, so there's your basic tutorial, and hopefully that was helpful for you. And actually, you know what? I'm going to save that draft for later. You can always save that instead of publishing it if you want to go back and edit it later. And I'm going to show you one more thing real quick. You see posts up there, but then there's also pages. You can do the exact same thing for a page, which a page would be something that's not like a blog post, maybe something a little bit more static. I don't think you're going to need to be doing that just because we kind of got all our pages down, but if you need to edit a page, okay, just like we did earlier with editing that post, you would click all pages, you could choose, from all your pages there and make your changes, just like click edit, just like we did before. And there's the page. You can edit just like we were looking at earlier. So pretty cool. That's it. Thanks so much.